Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are talking about people. So ये grade 5 का lesson number 1 है talking about people. So let's start. So what are you like? Think about adjectives to describe yourself. Give examples. I think I am generous, kind, lazy because. So you have to give your own example by using different adjectives. Like I am hardworking because I complete my work on time. I am generous or kind because I like to share my things. So it's up to you that how you will describe yourself by using different adjectives. ठीक है, पहले आपने different adjectives को यूज़ करके अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करना है. उसके बाद आपने रीज़न भी बतानी है. इफ़ यू आर लेज़ी देन वाई यू थिंक यू आर लेज़ी. ओके, if you are confident then why you think you are confident. So here is vocabulary. Can you find these type of children in the picture? So here is the word confident. So who is confident? Sure of himself or herself. Okay, जिसको अपने ऊपर यकीन होता है वो कॉन्फिडेंट होता है. अब यहाँ पे देखिए कौन है, ये श्योर है. आपको लग रहा है ना पिक्चर में. कॉन्फिडेंट इज द गर्ल. नेक्स्ट इज टाइडी. टाइडी मीन्स नीट एंड क्लीन. so this person is neat and clean. Shy, quiet and nervous with people. So some person who is quiet and nervous with people, it's mean that he or she is the shy, कि वो शाय है. ठीक है, ये गर्ल आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि ये इजी फील नहीं कर रही, ये लोगों के साथ जो है वो नर्वस हो रही है लोगों के साथ. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है फिर आपके पास, ये शाय गर्ल है. नेक्स्ट इज बैड टेम्पर्ड. बैड टेम्पर्ड मीन एंग्री. सो लुक हेयर, दिस बॉय इज एंग्री. हार्ड वर्किंग, who works hard. So here is the girl that is working very hard. So you can see here, you can match all these words by with a correct picture. Okay, so confident, sure of yourself, tidy, clean, generous, likes sharing, shy, quiet and nervous with people, bad tempered, angry, hardworking, who works hard. So this is all about vocabulary. Now come to the next word study. So here you have to find antonyms, means you have to find the opposites. Match the adjectives with their opposite meanings. Use your dictionary to help you. Confident. So we already studied about confident means the person who is sure. So now look here, if the confident, then opposite will be nervous. Nervous. Generous. So open heart, kind hearted person who likes sharing. So opposite will be selfish. Bad tempered, cheerful means who is happy, not in angry mood. Tidy, untidy. Shy, outgoing. Hardworking, so lazy. The lazy person don't want to do any work. Okay, and hard person works very hard. Okay, next is reading strategy. Reading for gift means reading for general idea. Read quickly through a text in order to answer a general question. Decide on the topic, the type of the text, the writer feelings or opinions. तो अभी आपने इस टॉपिक को पढ़ना है, उसके बाद हम लोग ये आंसर्स करेंगे. ठीक है, सो मॉम हैज़ मेड some new house rules today. She said she's not going to tidy our bedrooms or make our beds anymore. Her 3 new rules are मदर ने क्या किया है कि 3 कुछ न्यू रूल्स बनाए हैं. ठीक है, उन्होंने कहा है कि वो अब आपके बेडरूम को क्लीन नहीं करेंगी. अब अपने बच्चों ने अपना बिस्तर खुद फोल्ड करना है. उन्होंने 3 रूल्स बनाए हैं. लेट्स सी. रूल नंबर 1, वी हैव टू मेक आवर बेड्स एवरी मॉर्निंग. आपने क्या करना है, अपना बिस्तर खुद ठीक करना है. ओके. रूल नंबर 2, वी हैव टू पुट ऑल आवर क्लॉथ्स अवे in the wardrobe. We have to put all our clothes away in the wardrobe. और जो आपने जितने भी आपके क्लॉथ्स हैं वो आपने प्रॉपरली wardrobe के अंदर रखने हैं. Rule number 3, no toys can be left on the floor and we can only play video games when we have finished tidying up. अच्छा, रूल नंबर 3 क्या था कि कोई भी टॉय जो है वो फ्लोर पे ना हो एंड दे कैन ओनली प्ले पियानो गेम आफ्टर फिनिशिंग टाइडिंग रूम. जब उन्होंने रूम क्लीन कर लिया तो उसके बाद उनको पियानो जो है वो प्ले करने की इजाज़त होगी. I couldn't understand how my little brother Ayub took only 5 minutes to tidy his room when it was such a mess. I took 20 minutes to tidy mine. I went to his bedroom and it looks tidy. So, what do you think? How he can clean his bedroom within 5 minutes? How he can do it? Ayub took only 5 minutes. It's very surprising. What do you think? Why he took only 5 minutes? I took 20 minutes to tidy mine. I went to his bedroom and it looked tidy. But when I opened the wardrobe doors, all his clothes and toys fell out on top of me. Mom was very angry and so was I. So what happened? क्या किया उसने अयूब ने? जो जितने भी टॉयज थे वो 20 मिनट्स से 5 मिनट्स क्यों ले रहा था? क्योंकि उसने बट व्हेन आई ओपन द वार्डरोब डोर हिज क्लॉथ्स एंड टॉयज फेल ऑन टॉप ऑफ मी. कुछ उसने यहाँ पे ऊपर फेंके हुए हैं, कुछ उसने क्या किया हुआ है वार्डरोब के अंदर प्रॉपरली सीक्वेंस के साथ नहीं रखे, बस जल्दी जल्दी उनको छुपा दिया है. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई ही वॉज टेकिंग ओनली 5 मिनट्स. Answer the question about the brothers using adjectives from activity 4. Okay, so adjective tell us more about noun. Adjective some of the time it giving us or telling us the good qualities, or sometime it telling us the bad qualities of the person. So the writer is called Khalid. Why is he angry? He is angry because all clothes fell on him. Look at the picture. Because all clothes fell on him. What is Khalid like? He is hardworking and tidy. Okay. So वो कैसा दिखता है, या मतलब वो उसको क्या पसंद है? ही इज़ हार्ड वर्किंग एंड टाइडी. सॉरी, उसकी जो नेचर है वो कैसी है? व्हाट इज़ खालिद लाइक? हु इज़ खालिद्स younger brother? What is he like? So what was the name of the Khalid younger brother? The name of the Khalid younger brother is Ayub. And he is what he is like? He is untidy and lazy. Okay, so the last question is this question you have to do it by yourself. Okay, and you have to tell the answer in the comment box. I will wait for your answer. Thank you. And if you want that I will upload the activity book, you have to like, subscribe and share with your friends. At least give me 1,000 views on this chapter if you want activity book lesson as well. Thank you.